ng Rotary Club ng Diliman, Miriam Angela Narawi. Attorney Miriam Angela Narawi.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Rotary Club of Diliman International, it's my pleasure to welcome you all to our event, Cleanup Drive and Seminar here at the Las Piñas, Parañaque, Wetland Park. So,
Sir Brian Balitay.
Hello everyone. Thank you all sa pagpunta. And I just wanted to remind everyone kung ano yung reason natin why we're doing this. So year on year, we do corporate social responsibility, we do volunteer day, to give back.
thank you. So, for today's video, yung today's activity, firstly, magkakaroon tayo ng short walk from our LPTWPT, and then after that, consulting activity. So, short one or lang siya. Then, after that, magkakaroon tayo ng
National Environmental Awareness Month. And aside from that, we are also celebrating National Climate Consciousness Week and also the National Youth for Climate Action. So ang dami natin sineselebrate. So very timely and relevant yung mga activities natin ngayon para i-celebrate yung mga environmental events. No? Particular on the mobilization. Pero usually talaga, ang ibang po dito ay dumadating ay na-observe natin sa shoreline natin at sa mga mudflats natin. Kapag hapon, no? Doon kasi sila madalas kumakain. Pag hapon, low tide, very sa kanila yun, very favorable condition yun para kumain sila kasi wala na rin masyadong tao sa side. No? And aside from that, LPP
Yung magulo. Yes. Ngayon na din namin nalalaman na hindi pa pala ang category. No? So, ano tayo? Resilience. Sabi nga ni Sir Resilient tayo. So, mag-group na lang tayo ito by